Bam. And I can walk around now. How's everyone doing? Forearm hurts.
Mason.
Scared me. What is that?
Oh no, he sees a
Donkey?
lot. It's creepy.
Where's Donkey at?
It's totally like I'm making a documentary. I put it somewhere and just walk away.
Now it's dog. Now I get it.
I think that's raw frosting. Is that raw frosting on there?
Anyone else want cake?
Giraffe.
Got this
Can't
really
do
nice
cake
cake
for a bit.
here.
We could take some home.
Oh, okay.
What, Mason?
I'm gonna go grab a knife.
What do you got?
They were on the other side of the
No,
store.
that's your cake.
Grab some plates too when you come back.
Can cake you got, man?
Yellow cake.
Yeah.
There you
Yeah.
go.
Sleep
I'm
hard.
getting into it.
Oh boy, that's a big one. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
that's
No,
my
too
cake.
much. Too much. Oh, you don't like that.
Just good stack.
That
You have a little cake.
Okay.
That cake's too nice to cut
I
out.
know.
Right now, don't do it.
Just freeze it forever.
sophisticated.
Leave
Take
it.
some pictures of it.
Do it.
Yeah, we got a lot of photos.
Oh, damn it.
Oh.
What, sweetie?
Ah. Nice cake.
Let's cut that giraffe in half. We'll meet the
Half the
giraffe.
giraffe. I guess it's got toothpicks in it, so watch out.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the warning.
Oh, good to know.
Why is the giraffe bigger than the elephant?
Yeah, it's
Giraffes
baby
are better
elephant.
than elephants.
It's baby elephant. It's a huge monkey though.
What, Mason?
That's what man.
Do you want to do it?
Monkey is huge.
Bam! It's all over. And he's gonna hit his smash cake, and then it's smashed. Bam! I was right. Thank you.
Where's the monkey? What the monkeys do?
Yes.
I don't know what.
Anyone else
Grass.
want cake?
Oh,
Cupcake
it's
shaped
grass there, but-
balloon and cake.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's what we call a good day.
Oh, it's like super moist. Sorry, hurts.
What's that, Mason?
Damn.
What's that for?
What's that?
Okay, cool.
Okay.
I love these things.
Down
Would you
there.
like the pond?
Yeah, the pond is good.
Like
The
this?
pond, yeah. Perfect.
Could it be suspended from the ceiling?
Can you grab some more plate flips?
Just get the small ones underneath those big
Yeah.
ones.
So what?
There you go.
Perfect.
Just bring them
Bring
over,
them over.
relax.
Is
You
there
have to
one at a
keep,
time?
and then the silverware too, that way it's just
Is
here.
it filled with anything or just cake?
It's filled with heaven.
You're gonna have a fun time in his bath.
Oh, Lord.
You good, Lex? Just do whatever you gotta do. Sir?
You want cake?
We'll be here.
Yeah.
Very
Oh,
good.
damn.
It's really good.
This is not too big a piece.
I don't like cake.
Thank you, brother.
Good.
Where'd you guys get this?
Marbles Bakery. It's in the Chapel Hills Mall.
The one underneath the one that's kind of on the bottom floor by the escalators. That one, I think.
I had no idea it was even there.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
Mason.
Yeah. That's not there anymore.
What's about to happen?
Isn't it the one
Just a little
where
piece
the
of
big
it.
bear is?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the what?
The bear is?
Oh, Mason.
What's underneath the food
It's good. Legit.
It's the first time I ever had cake where it's not like, let me get more ice in the snow and get all that cake. It's great. Thank you.
So what happened? You got cake all over
That's
you, huh?
really good.
Yeah.
Really good. I don't eat cake that often.
I'll drink.
Me either.
I thought they were one of those places like I see on cake boss and all that. I assume the cake doesn't actually taste good.
Yeah, I know.
Like how sophisticated that cake looks, but
I think
this tastes
Now we
good.
know.
Yeah. I guess you already mastered cake making, so you gotta have a different medium cakes.
That is a
Isn't it good?
Good one.
Yo, dude. Okay. Sit down.
My bibs in my cake.
So many bad things are happening. And good things at the same time.
Just give me my balloon and take my shirt off. Is it nappy time yet?
Yeah, they're both
Oh, I thought you were about to hit the cake.
I'm not picking
It's just
that.
gonna be like one dramatic moment where you just.
I'm not picking that.
Snacks the cake. Ooh, smash. Ooh. Like, shortcake.
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Now,
And the meltdown
it's not
begins.
as
Yeah.
It's all over now.
Yeah.
like you
Zach,
can
you
shave
have to
it.
rub spoons in.
It's pretty ill.
Ooh, ooh. Seen that
Feels gross on my body right
Charlie
now.
bit me video? Charlie bit me? Oh,
The little babies? The two little babies?
Yeah.
Charlie bit my finger.
Charlie bit my
Yeah.
finger? Oh my god. Just like, ooh. Charlie bit me.
No, David, don't go down. Don't jump on the slide. Don't jump, David. Don't jump. Don't jump. He jumps, goes through the slide. It's like a 2 foot, like a 5 foot slide. He jumps off here, goes straight through the slide.
Oh, no.
Around. It's awesome.
Dang.
His son's like, his father's recording him saying don't jump, and instead of like stop him, jumps, records him.
Just shove it in. Put it in your
I was
mouth.
thinking for me.
Who am I giving that to?
Try it. Gotta try it. Gotta try it. Gotta try it.
Was it good?
I'm gonna have a real big breakdown in a minute.
Yeah, I see a meltdown in your future,
Oh, for real?
buddy.
No one knew what it was in theater. I just
But wait.
yeah.
He's going all pissed.
It was like frame by frame, like
Oh, it's a straight shot for shot remake?
yeah.
That's good stuff.
Yeah.
It wasn't me. No one likes
Just
me.
kidding.
I don't have any friends.
One of us has friends.
No, the chime from iOS and both of
Right?
us looking.
That's what I said. Anybody want to eat an animal?
Giraffe.
No.
Backside.
Just pick it up.
Yeah. What do you want? Elephant or
Just
monkey?
physically
Take
pick
a
it up.
bite out of it.
No way, dude.
Okay,
Pick up
okay.
that fucking giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
There's a-
Go
Serious?
get that ungulate.
Is it just like a sugar?
Oh yeah. There's toothpicks, so be careful. John?
Oh my gosh, it's so heavy.
It's dumb big made out of fondant.
No
Fucking
way.
$20
Don't get
ornaments,
ill.
so please eat
Yeah.
them.
Oh my god.
That's
Isn't that
crazy.
cute?
I'm scared to eat it.
Here, break its head off.
It's forever.
She said there's probably a toothpick in the neck, so be careful.
Oh god. At least that's a good warning.
Yeah. Ooh, this is chocolate.
They won't repeat customers versus I had to go to the hospital because I ate a fucking giraffe in one bite.
Reason don't want.
Don't watch this.
No way.
Wow, that's
Feel how heavy this is. Don't break it.
What is it?
Fondant.
fondant.
What's
Icing, like a
Sugar?
sheet icing.
Oh.
They just roll it up.
That's what was on the gingerbread house.
Some fondant.
Roll out the fondant into
It has-
quarter-inch
it has
thick wrap. I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, the
Like-
gingerbread house that
Yes.
had fondant. I was like,
How are you
why is
gonna
this
roll?
frosting So, like, roll it out. Why don't you give me fucking icing? Why is it so
Right.
difficult?
Right.
Yeah, and it was like roll
Right.
into 3/4 inch wide by 2.5 centimeters long. It
I was
was just
thinking,
like,
I'm done. I'm done with
ridiculous.
this.
Yeah, that one in the trash.
Wow, it's real unpainted, like stencils.
Mason.
Someone's job
What does
is
it
to make
taste like?
those.
I haven't tasted it yet. I'm scared.
They went to school.
It tastes its tail.
They went to culinary
Like-
school,
like sugar.
baker school, and most
Should this
likely
be
art
like
school.
really sweet icing?
Yeah.
It's not like,
When
it's like
Mason.
clay.
yeah. It's not really a sweet. It's like sweet Play-Doh.
Yeah.
It's kind of salty, but it's
Right?
sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, Play-Doh's salty. Why do I know that? Why do I know Play-Doh is salty? It's like, I eat it. That means I ate it. That means I tasted
Because
it.
you make those little cupcakes and you make the little desserts.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is so cute.
Sweet Play-Doh.
It's not tasty.
I'm rocking with it.
It's not as salty
try?
Play-Doh.
No.
Jesus. Yeah, a calorie right now. I can feel it.
There's wires in
Oh,
this
for the
thing.
sugar?
Yeah, wire.
Yeah, wire.
It is salty. That's weird.
Yeah, it's Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Maybe a lot of hands.
Exactly what it is.
Yeah,
It's
man.
interesting.
Want to try a little bit?
Maybe a lot of hands.
Do it.
Are you sure you can eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's edible shit.
We've all had some.
Everyone's eating modeling clay.
Right.
That's what's happening.
Gotcha.
All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Everyone just.
The monkey tastes like chocolate.
That's a funky monkey. You just.
Oh, so it's chocolate fondant for the monkey. What does that taste like? Bite your ear off or something.
All right.
Oh, okay.
Play-Doh.
That was just
I
Play-Doh.
guess it tastes like chocolate.
It does have that one did have a little bit of
It's just gray modeling clay.
Wash that shit
They
down
ain't
with
even
some
try.
Play-Doh.
They put little
I don't want to bite
chocolate
its
piece
head.
eyes.
I feel bad if I eat its
Well.
head. It's gonna die anyway.
There's wires in there with the ears. So
Got headache?
No, it's only my eye.
It has hollow eyes.
Soulless Coraline. Or the redhead chick. Cartoons. No, it's like Rich animation.
Oh,
Annie? Is that her name?
no. Pippi Longthorn. That one?
Sorry, John.
Okay.
Tastes like Play-Doh. Not that I would know what Play-Doh tastes like. Or anything. Never. 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 Nah.
Your butt is
Frosted Bun.
Don't you wanna Fanta? How am I gonna get back up?
Mason. Oh, please, please, Mason jar.
I was in the dog.
Here, come over here and play with your toys.
You want some of this tea?
Look at all those toys you got. You're so lucky. Yes, you are. You're just so lucky, boy.
It doesn't like really have like a
Good.
specific
Oh,
taste.
nights again, so
Play-Doh.
Nice again.
yeah. I go back to bar.
There's a toothpick in its head. I just don't realize that because I can see it. It's gonna die. Oh, yeah, see? Yeah, it looks like a unicorn now.
You close the thing when you go to sleep.
It's a headless unicorn!
You're the cold I love this.